This is the best. Season's greetings. I have a little treat for you today. You know, a couple of days ago I was in the Granville community and I noticed all over they have this sign, Ina's Easter Bun for sale. I got curious. I wanted to find out exactly who this Ina is. Well, today I am with Ina. We're going to know a little more about Ina, but above that, she's going to show us how to bake real Jamaican Easter bun. Stay tuned. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel though, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. That way, you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Hey guys, so I'm with Miss Ina. Miss Ina, how you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Good. Good to be here. Good to meet with you. We're gonna learn about how to make authentic Jamaican Easter bun. But I want to know a little bit more about Ina. Who is Ina and why everybody talking about your Easter bun, Miss Ina?
When I started to make bun maybe 30 years ago, I did have a little restaurant at Granville, and that's where I started to do on my baking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How did all of that start? I mean, where did you learn how to make Easter bun though?
I just saw somebody baking and just like that.
Oh, I know your Easter buns are one of the best homemade Easter buns certainly in this area, right? When I went to the shop I realized a gentleman said to me that I should try it, and if I try it I'm gonna come back for more. Well, I didn't try it at the time, but you and I know that I came here and I got a slice of your bun, and man, I honestly believe it's definitely one of the best buns I've had. I love it. And today you're gonna show us how to make bun. All right. So what do you have here now? I'm going to show my guys. She's gonna show us, give us a little insight, so to speak, of how she makes her buns. So what do you have here? Okay. What do you have here now? What are you gonna use? What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna pour the flour in this.
How much bun will this make, Miss Ina, you know?
Maybe around 5 medium.
5 medium bun. Alright, good. And that's about how many flour?
3 pounds of flour.
3 pounds of flour, awesome. And this is regular, is it baking flour?
Baking flour.
Baking flour, okay. Alright.
I'm going to put my baking flour.
Baking powder?
Baking powder.
Yeah, good.
4 teaspoons of baking powder.
4 teaspoons baking powder, good. I like the way you have everything well organized already, man. What is that now? 1 teaspoon salt. Okay.
So we have mixed spice and mixed spice, nutmeg, and
what do you mean? When you say mixed spice, what do you mean?
I mean cinnamon.
Oh, so you mix it or you get it?
I just put everything together, but.
Oh, okay. Cinnamon, nutmeg,
and mixed.
Mixed together.
Yes. Just put it.
How much is that approximately?
I have cinnamon, mixed spice, and nutmeg.
Cinnamon.
The mixed spice comes as it is in the store, so it's package bought. So you have 2 teaspoons of mixed spice. Okay,
that's Miss Ina's daughter in the background, guys. She's reminding us of 2 teaspoons of mixed spice.
2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1 whole of nutmeg.
Oh, grated.
Grated nutmeg, which is about 3 teaspoons.
Okay, all right, good. Awesome. What else you got?
We're going.
What you gonna do now?
We're going to mix this together. And we're going to add the raisin. A cup and a half of raisin and half cup of mixed peel.
All right.
And put this in it.
I know some people love their bun with raisin, like me. Some people don't really regard it much.
I'm gonna mix this. And this is the dragon, one dragon.
Oh, you put dragon in there?
Dragon, yes, molasses and browning in this.
Alright, alright.
This is the sugar.
Alright, so
and the dragon.
The sugar?
The dragon.
One bottle of dragon?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And half a pound of butter.
Half a pound of butter?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So half a pound of butter,
yes.
One dragon. Uh-huh.
A tablespoon of molasses.
Tablespoon of molasses. Uh-huh.
And a teaspoon of
what?
Browning.
Browning. Okay, good. And a pound of sugar. So what you do, you boil those?
Yes, I boil this together.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Alright, so it's ready now. Boil and ready.
Yes, this is boiled and ready.
Okay, good.
And you can pour this on the flour.
Good. Alright.
Oh, and then we have this egg, 3 eggs.
3 beaten eggs.
Yes.
Alright, good. This is lovely, guys. I'm learning a lot too. I didn't even know dragon was in there.
Wine.
This is vanilla.
Vanilla, okay.
Vanilla.
2 teaspoons vanilla? 2 you said?
2 teaspoons of vanilla.
2 teaspoons vanilla, okay.
And half teaspoon of almond.
Almond.
Okay, almond, okay. So,
almond flavor.
Oh, so 2 teaspoons vanilla and a half teaspoon of almond flavor is already in there.
Yes, it's already
awesome,
in there.
Awesome. Mix that.
Add some wine.
Okay. Wow.
And we had in the wine.
Oh, wine. No, what kind of wine? Just bulk, regular bulk wine? Okay, good.
1.5 cup.
1.5 cup of wine. Okay. Good. A bulk wine. Alright.
We're going to mix it in.
Mix it in, alright. How long do you mix? How long do you mix that? Mix it until you don't see the flour anymore, or?
Yes. You can mix it until all the flour is.
You don't see any white.
No.
Okay. All right. I see some other. Oh. Is there something else over there beside that? What is that over there? What's that?
This. This is what we put on the top of the
bowl. Oh, the top of the bowl. Okay. What is that? What is it?
Cherry.
Cherry, okay. And this we say will yield approximately 3 medium-sized buns. Approximately. About 3 to 5. All right. Good. All right. Excellent. All right. I notice this is getting creamier. So what if you don't have dragon stout? Keep going, man.
You can put Guinness.
You can put Guinness. Okay.
Yes, you can
any stout.
Yes, any stout.
Okay, good. I know, guys. I know some of you will be watching and asking that very question. So any stout, Guinness, dragon, or whatever other stout of dark color is good. There's a little tasting goes on, and Mr. Aina said she tasted. So is that what the best chef does? The taste it?
Yes, because to ensure that it has the right flavor.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Oh, I remember another chef told me that, that tasted this. Which one? This?
Okay.
Alright. So scoop.
Okay, I'm going to drop it in the tin now.
All right. So is that the right flavor?
Yes.
Okay. So how do you know when to stop? Is it? Cause it look a little soft.
Yeah, man, it's alright.
That is the right texture?
Yes, yes.
So not too tough?
Not too soft.
Not too tough, not too soft?
No.
Okay, and I can see the raisins popping up?
Not too watery and not too thick.
Not good,
Right.
good. Alright, so that's Monifa, guys, in the background. You'll see her face soon. That she's Miss Sina's assistant. Alright, so we're gonna pour it in the tin and the magic will happen shortly. What tin? Okay, so what tin? What's that?
Tin?
Okay. So we have 3 tins, 3 baking.
This is a K3 one, man.
It's a B, they call it a BP1.
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 Okay. Alright.
But it's about a medium
That's
size.
Monifa, guys. That's Monifa. She's doing a good job assisting her mommy. So that's a BP1 size tin.
Right.
Okay. Which is looks like about 6 inches by 3 inches. 6 by 3 or thereabout. Or 7 by 3. Alright, good. So she's pouring the mixture into the tin. Boy, you're very clean, Miss Anna. Very clean. Alright.
So you want to fill the tin to about 3/4 full.
I was just about to ask. So at what? How do you know when to stop? So it's 3/4.
About 3/4 full.
Okay. So what? Why 3/4?
Well, I guess it's based on experience. To the level that it's gonna raise after it's finished baking.
Okay, good.
So you want it to be at a certain level when it's finished baking. So based on that, you'll be about 3/4 full.
Okay. All right. So it seems as if we're gonna get about four buns, Miss Anna. Or like at least 3.5.
We'll get about 4.
Okay.
This is a little smaller than.
Okay. Alright, so another one. That's last one. Okay, good. You know you're gonna get 4 regular size ones. I think you're gonna need a bigger one. Okay.
You might be able to get 2 of these size.
Yeah, man, I'm confident. There's a lot of juice in that, you know.
Or not.
But at least half. Yeah, that one is really good. So we have 4 here. I like how my Sinai is neat, guys. Look at that. Even just placing it down, put them in order. I like that. Yeah.
This is my curry. That's unscented. Not in the supermarket.
She doesn't just bake. She doesn't just bake Easter bun, which is what we're featuring now. She does a host of other stuff. She had her own restaurant at one point, so she knows about Jamaican food. So we're gonna talk to her a little bit more to hear a little bit about that side. All right, so we're gonna get one more in there, at least. I have enough there. That looks like that one is almost half, not bad.
Okay, I'm gonna put some cherry on the top.
All right, now okay. So when is that's all right.
Cherry.
So the cherry. This is the cherry. The supermarket, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You put a couple in there.
This is my curry. That's unscented. Not in the supermarket.
All right. So the cherry is just for the pretty look.
Pretty look. Pretty look.
Has nothing to do with the taste. And the taste is already there. But this is just a nice, make it look a little more attractive. Okay, good. What amount of cherry? That's probably about
it's around
2 teaspoons.
It's around 5 cherry, and then you have to cut it up. You cut it up.
Oh, you actually cut it.
Cut it up.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
You don't put the big one, man.
Oh, so you get about 5 cherry and cut it up.
Yes.
And that will suffice for about 4 or 5 medium-sized buns. Okay, good.
It's 1 cherry to each bun.
Oh, essentially,
Think
essentially.
about it that way.
Essentially, yes. Yes, alright. So, mixture is ready. Mixture is in the pans. And Miss Aina is going to... Is there anything else? What's that over here, Miss Aina? What's that?
This is we call this glaze.
Glaze, okay.
When I take it out of the oven, I
glaze it over it.
Glaze it over it and then you put it shine on
it. Make it a nice shine sheet.
Yes.
What amount is that? That look like probably about 3 teaspoons? 3 teaspoons?
That's 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons, okay.
So what that is actually, it is the mixture that was previously on the stove, the combination of dragon, butter, sugar, browning and molasses. So that is what we use for the glaze.
Oh, it's the same thing?
It's the same thing that we had used before.
Okay.
We just took out a portion to put on the top.
Alright. Miss Aina, you taught her how to bake, right? She learned from you?
Yeah.
She learned from you. Proudly so. Okay, good. Alright. So what are we going to do now?
We've already preheated the oven. It should come up in about 10 minutes. I guess we should have done so before.
Okay.
But with this stove, what we like to do is to turn on one of the burners. It seems to heat up a little bit quicker when we turn on one of the burners. I don't know why.
Okay, alright. So you preheat the oven to how much?
So it will automatically come up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay. 350, that's
350.
Okay, and as soon as it reaches 350, and you're watching here, right?
Yes, we're watching.
Okay, alright. So waiting until it reaches 350, guys. As soon as it reaches 350, we're gonna put them in the oven, and we're gonna have some juicy, delectable Jamaican Easter bun shortly. Alright, guys. Well, oven is ready. I think we have just. Miss Aina, you say you reduce the temperature to 300.
Yes, 300.
300. All right. So we're working with 300, guys. Miss Aina is gonna put them in the oven now. Go ahead, Miss Aina. Go ahead. Homemade, home style Jamaican Easter bun. All right. All right. So you put all 5 of them at the top, Miss Aina.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Close it up and wait, and it's gonna start cooking now. So how long does it take?
Taking maybe an hour and a half.
An hour and a half.
Hour and a half, because these are small. Okay. So you don't have to put it up like 2.
Okay. So it's an hour and a half to bake and
could be ready.
Hour and a half, roughly. Yeah. Do you check it? You check it in the interim, right? You check it, you open it and check it, or you just leave it?
No, I don't touch it.
You don't touch it?
No.
So go hour and a half and then that's it?
Yes, just like, because of that amount,
yeah, you
don't have to touch it, but if it's oven full, yeah, you have to take them out, put some to the back and
turn it around. Okay.
Turn it around.
Hour and a half, alright?
Yes.
So an hour and a half, guys, Easter bun will be ready. We won't be here an hour and a half. I won't be here an hour and a half, but we have a prepared one ready that Miss Aina is gonna show you. Alright, so what does Miss Aina's tasty Easter bun look like? Take a look. Guys, this is top class, first class Jamaican Easter bun. Alright, now I know we already cut the cheese and we cut the bun. Now, well, let me ask you, Miss Aina, how do you rate this particular one here? Because sometimes you bake it and it come out as you expect it. Hey, how do you rate this one out of 10 in terms of what you expect it to get? Sometimes you get them a little better.
Well, this one is a little bit dry because this one was in the box.
In the box?
Yes, so sometimes that's why you have to change it around.
In the back of the oven?
In the back of the oven.
Okay.
A little dry in it.
Oh, so that's a learning there, guys. You have to turn it around.
Yes.
Yes, if it's the front one will have a little more moisture.
Yes.
Alright. But it looks good to me. But but you're still comfortable with it, right?
Yes.
It's a good bun. And I notice the raisins and the fruits are popping up. Alright? What about the taste? How should it taste? Because I know some people are gonna try it. I want to find out.
It's excellent. My bun is excellent.
One word.
Number one.
Number one. And that is why they have your flyer. I see the flyers in the community there in Granville. They have them all over the place saying Ina's Easter Bun for sale, and they don't have hands to sell them. I'm sure Miss Ina, I don't know if you have any more, but pretty soon they're gonna run out as well.
You know, because up to last night somebody's calling me, but I'm just tired.
You're tired, I can't manage it.
I can't manage.
Can't manage it. Well, we appreciate you. Appreciate for what you do. You said you basically taught yourself how to make Easter Bun, Jamaican Easter Bun. Meaning you learn from, you didn't get any formal training. You just kind of learn.
No training at all.
You just learn
just grab around, somebody doing it, and I just sketch it.
You just watch and see?
Yes. That's the same way with my fruit cake. My fruit cake is number 1 too.
I was just about to ask
I bake banana bread, carrot cake, cornmeal pudding, potato pudding, toto. All of that I sell it. I have never heard, I didn't even remember the toto. Yes.
Well, go make the toto again.
We make the toto, flour, coconut, just vanilla, spice it up.
And spice?
Just spice it up.
Okay.
But you have to have a lot of coconut, coconut down juice. You just grate it and put it into your flour.
That's toto.
Yes.
Well, it sounds like we need to do some other stuff, man. I'm excited about it. Excited about the Easter Bun. I think we need to have a taste, though, you know, miss.
Yes.
We can't make Easter Bun and not have a taste.
Yes.
Alright, so I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste this one. We have the cheese. We have the cheese there. I'm not really a cheese fan, but I'm still just have the bun. Just have the bun, guys. Sana, you're gonna share me a slice of bun. No cheese. That's one is fine. Alright, good. Alright, I'm gonna have Easter Bun, guys. Alright, guys, so beside the Easter Bun, I'm not really a cheese person, so I'm just gonna have the bun. I don't know what to expect of a bun. I just know that if it tastes good or not, right? I don't know about texture or anything like that. And it tastes good. It's a little bit dry, as I said, but because it was at the back. But it's awesome, man. Flavorful. And the raisins and the dragon in there. Thank you. Alright, guys, so, and here's another Miss Ina's bun. And she shared the ingredients and stuff on there. All of that. Now I know, Miss Ina, you wouldn't say you do this commercially because you can't manage it commercially. It's just during Easter time.
Yes.
You do it for your friends and I think a couple places you allow them to distribute it, but you still have a limit because you can't manage too much. Demand is heavy. I don't know. I'm wondering, would you want persons to reach out to you if they want any? I mean, on a limited basis, or is that okay? Would you want to share your number so they could contact you if they want bun, or if they want any other bakery, anything else like that?
What? I would have to get help.
You'd have to get some help.
I have to get that help.
Okay.
To do part of this. But this every day I have to send pudding down by Church Street. Every day I have to send pudding down by Church Street.
Every day?
Every day.
What kind of pudding?
Like cornmeal, potato, carrot, and banana bread.
Oh, so there's a lot of baking you do every day?
Yes, every day. I send it out every morning.
Every morning?
Yes.
So, yeah, is that a company you send them to?
It's a little snack.
Snack counter? Or snack shop?
Right side of basket here.
Oh, okay, right there. Okay.
People buy it all the day.
I know, it is good. So if person want to reach out to you, can they call and contact you at your number?
Yes.
At the phone number that you have here? Yes. Alright, so she's gonna list the number, guys. We may also, her daughter is nodding, she wants to list her number as well. Because she's a baker too, she's a good baker. In fact, I think I'm gonna do a diabetic bun with her. We haven't finalized that as yet, but she's a good baker. She learned a lot from the best. And so we're thinking about that. But yes, so we're gonna share the numbers. It's in the description below if you're interested in reaching out to Miss Ina or her daughter to get some bun or bakery. Remember though, it's very limited because she's not able to manage the heavy demand, right? So it's on a case by case basis. Well, let me ask you, how long are you going to continue to do this, Miss Ina?
As long as I can manage.
Love it. I have a question that I normally ask my interviewees. The question is, in your mind, what makes Jamaica special? What makes Jamaica special, Miss Ina?
The good product that you send out.
Could I guess that one? The good products, all the good baking stuff here.
The good food that you cook and the good baking that people...
Yeah. That is what makes Jamaica special.
That make it.
Man.
That make the thing.
Love it, love it. That's what makes Jamaica special.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. I enjoyed the time here. I enjoyed the learning. And I enjoyed the bun. Season's greetings to you and yours, Miss Ina.
Thank you.
All right. Oh, and by the way, guys, for those of you who are interested in learning how to bake, we have the recipe. We have the recipe courtesy of Miss Ina. It's in the description below. So check that out as well. All right. The recipe for Jamaican Easter Bun is in the description. You can find it there. All right, guys. That's it. That's Miss Ina and her baking. Again, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of videos on what I call the real Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss any of that. So, Easter Bun from Jamaica land we love. Miss Ina style. Caesar's greetings. Well, I have my Easter bun. This is my serving. Miss Ina gave to me, so I'm showing off. Look at that. Look at the glaze. Beautiful. Right now I'm gonna cut and show you how juicy and how succulent this thing is. Look at that. Look at that. This is the best. This is the best. Absolutely the best. Miss Ina's Easter bun. Homemade, authentic Jamaican Easter bun.